Well, Qatar's Prime Minister has told CNN that Israel's actions have put the entire region at risk. In an interview, Mohammed bin Abdulrahman Al Thani called the attack state terror.
Honestly, I have no words to express how outraged we are from such an act.
If you could describe it in one word, what would that be?
This is state terror. That's what I call it.
Do you feel betrayed?
We are betrayed, yeah.
By the US?
No, I cannot say it's by the US. The US has expressed in many occasions their support to us. The US, the president, right after the attack, he spoke with His Highness the Emir, and he was very clear that this is unacceptable, and he's not agreeing with such a thing, and he was never informed about it. And the moment he was informed, he asked his official to inform us. Unfortunately, this information came too late.
Well, the Qatari Prime Minister went on to say the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has broken every international law.
He needs to be brought to justice. He's the one who's wanted to the ICC. That's number one. So I think that someone like him trying to lecture the world about the law, he's breaking every law. He broke every international law. He's starving people in Gaza. He's doing all these rogue actions in the entire region. What's next? What's next for him?
Don't miss out. Get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news and expert insights. Like, share, stay ahead.